Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Welcome to Achievers News. Rupees 5,528 crores allotted for Odisha in Railway Budget 2021. A total outlay of rupees 5,528 crores from the Union Budget 2021 to 2022 has been allotted for railway projects in Odisha for building world-class rail infrastructure. Minister of Railways Piyush Goyal on Wednesday informed that the total budget allocation in 2021-22 is 560% more than the average of 2009-14, which was rupees 838 crores. Projects costing rupees 61,949 crores, covering 4,877 km, falling fully for partly in the state ongoing. The include conversion or doubling of 39 new lines or gauges.